The 2010 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, alloy wheels, power steering, one owner, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, compass, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.